If your child is taking the Cambridge IGCSE Accounting exam and you are aiming for top grades, such as an A star, then this message is for you. Many capable students lose marks in the Cambridge IGCSE Accounting exam not because they don't understand the concepts well, but rather due to difficulty maintaining accuracy under time pressure. Hi, my name is Farhan and I specialize in preparing students specifically for the Cambridge accounting exams. The Cambridge IGCSE accounting exam has two papers. Paper 1 goes on for 60 minutes and has 35 multiple choice questions. Many strong students often experience difficulty in answering these questions not because they don't understand the concepts well, but rather due to maintaining accuracy in time pressure, which requires them to decode these questions and brainstorm for an appropriate result. As a result, strong students can miss out on marks which can impact their final grade. Paper 2 is structured questions. Here, students often lose marks due to incomplete workings, weak presentation, and the use of incorrect formatting that is penalized by examiners. As a consequence, many students who perform reasonably well in schools do not end up achieving their desired grade in the main exam. Strong IGCSE results can significantly influence A-level subject selection choices and predicted grades to apply for world-class universities. Parents often realize that a small difference at this stage can significantly influence the trajectory of their children's career and lives. We run a structured preparation program that focuses on exam methods mastery, past paper training, and includes detailed feedback which students can utilize to enhance their understanding of the accounting content and score excellent results. Before applying for our program, make sure to check the YouTube videos available for various topics and understand the teaching approach. If you would like us to review your child's exam preparation level and timeline, please complete the application form linked below. We will assess the details and recommend you an appropriate preparation pathway.